Happy video day, guys. Christina, Brooke here. I am so excited to bring another review to you guys, but this review is one that I know you guys are excited for because you guys love Natasha. Just like I love Natasha. And today we have a Natasha Denona product. So we did talk about this product in my Chismes section of my 1 Year 1 brand. We knew that something called Macro Blade was going to be coming out, but we weren't 100% sure if it was going to be a real liquid eyeliner or something else. Well, here it is. Here is the Macro Blade, and it is a liquid eyeliner. So in today's video, I'm going to be demoing this product for you guys, giving you guys all the information, telling you guys my thoughts on it. We're going to be trying this over an extremely done up eye to see if it can glide over eyeshadow. We're also going to try it on a bare lid to see how it works just on a bare lid. We're going to put this little puppy to the test, and I'm going to be giving you all the details that I possibly can. So yes, we have the brand new Macro Blade liquid liner from Natasha Denona to talk about. But as I was looking through the Sephora website, I also noticed that Bite Beauty has released their brand new lipsticks. So I decided to pick this one up. These are called the Power Move Soft Matte Lipsticks from Bite Beauty. And I picked up the color Arissa, which seemed to me like the most beautiful shade in the universe. So today we're going to be talking about both of these products. We're going to be trying them on my face. I'm going to be giving you guys my opinions, my first impression thoughts. So if you guys are excited as I am, just keep watching. We're going to get into everything. But if you are new, hello. I like to talk about makeup and fashion. If you guys like those things, don't forget to go ahead and hit subscribe, join the family. I will show up on your timeline and you can see some more makeup and fashion videos. So let's go ahead. Let's jump into this. Let's zoom in. Let's get into everything right now. So before we go ahead and demo this, I do have it on my lids. Let's quickly go over some of the specifics about the product. So this is Natasha's brand new release. It's called the Macro Blade Liquid Eyeliner. It retails for $26 US. And on the Sephora website, it does claim to be a long-wearing liquid eyeliner with immediate rich jet black color payoff. So on her Instagram, she also made sure to include some points here that she says that this has the same powerhouse pigmentation as her award-winning eyeshadows. She says that it has a Pro Flow technology. It has a uniquely hand-designed applicator for full control. So when she talks about the high pigmentation, she is saying that this high pigmentation can glide over her very pigmented eyeshadows. And the Pro Flow technology, she is saying that it's a release mechanism to deliver the perfect amount of formula in every stroke. It offers clear-cut, flawless application on all users from novices to pros. She also says that it has a precision applicator tip that provides the perfect balance and glide and control. So there's a lot of claims on this eyeliner, and can it live up to everything it's saying? It is literally acting like Natasha has developed the eyeliner of our dreams. So then we have the lipsticks from Bite Beauty. So this is a clean, vegan, hydrating, soft matte lipstick powered by nourishing cocoa butter for lasting lightweight color. It's supposed to be hydrating. It's supposed to have a velvety matte finish. Bite Beauty's lipsticks kind of disappeared from Sephora. I used to love their formula, and now they have reappeared, and I am so excited because they have a bunch of beautiful colors. Even some of their most popular shades they re-released in this brand new formula. They do retail for $28 US each, and I'm excited to give these a go. I really liked the original formula, and I'm excited to see how this creamy matte lipstick is going to work. So that is what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and zoom in and let's get into it right now. Okay guys, so we are zoomed in, and yes, I know I look a little silly right now, but I decided to try this liner for you guys two different ways. So I was reading on Natasha Denona's website, actually on her Instagram. She was making it a point that she designed the eyeliner to work seamlessly over her eyeshadows. Now, if you're like me and you're somebody who does a lot of, I guess, a lot of layering with eyeshadows, you know that sometimes liquid liners can, I don't want to say they skip, but they don't attach really well, and you have to like go over like a few times in order for the pigment to come out. I've used so many of these like felt tip liners that they get filled with the eyeshadow, and then I have to like clean them off, and I decide, you know what, that's not worth it unless I have a bare eye. Because she's saying that her technology glides over eyeshadows, I was like, okay, let's try this, Miss Natasha. Don't let me down, I hope. And then I'm also going to show you the liner on a bare eye. eyes. So we can do both methods and see how they work. And then I'll kind of try to make this eye look a little bit more presentable again. Here is the beauty. Here's the eyeliner. This is what it looks like. It has a really nice packaging. It almost feels texturized and it feels like a metal. Very interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this like a nice little shake. Obviously it's not metal. It just kind of feels like it. Like, you hear that? You know what I mean? That's kind of cool. It feels like metal or ceramic. Like, it's kind of cool. Okay, I think we could do it like this. That might work. Okay, if I put ridiculous faces, I'm so sorry. But I tend to do that with liners. So, ooh, I like the applicator. Look at that. So that is a very thin applicator. Let's do a little swatchy. Let's see how this swatches before I even... Ooh. Interested. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's try this. And of course, I'm going to try it first on the exaggerated eye because this is the one I'm more... Let me stop talking. Let me just do this. So far, so good. Okay, you have to wait. It doesn't dry fast. Emergency situation. Hold on. Okay. So it doesn't dry very fast. You have to wait. And I will tell you, this is not abnormal and this has happened to me a lot. It's just recently a lot of the liners that I have used have not been this pigmented and they dry extremely quick. So that's more my fault, I think, than the liner because a lot of liners do this. So now on the next eye, I am going to keep my eye closed for a little bit before I open it, like you probably should. But yeah, that kind of ruined my eye look. I salvaged the eye. I did have to change the eye look a little bit, but FYI, do not open your eyes very fast. Let it dry down. Still a little bit wet. Yeah, so just don't open your eye too fast. But color pigment, that is an extremely black line. I do love that. I like that it applied very even, very easy. Let's do the other eye with absolutely nothing on. And then, of course, I'm gonna have to try to match my eye after. We're gonna leave it closed. Not going to touch the lid. Let's leave it closed. I still feel it wet. So this does take a little while to dry down. Please do this at home. Do not try to open your eye too fast. Let's see. Still wet. Because it has so much pigment, that is probably why it takes a while to dry down, but I don't want anybody at home doing their whole eye look and then destroying it. So yeah, definitely keep your eye closed. This side was a lot easier to do than this side because I'm getting a little bit more used to the liner. It's a little stiffer, which is good, but it does have movement, which I like. And I love the richness of this line. This is a true deep black liner. There's no skipping. It's super, super even. Let me see. It's pretty much dry now, so now I can open my eye. Now it's better. So it worked really good over the eyeshadow, but it also looks amazing with no eyeshadow on. So I really like this so far. This looks really, really incredible. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty damn beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and match my eyes somehow, and let's see how this liner continues to last. And then we're gonna try the lipstick. Okay guys, I got the eye look as close as I possibly can. It is difficult to have a liner eye and then try to match it to another eye, but we got it working. Had to change up the look just a tad, but we got it to work. So I'm happy about that. And I am happy with this liner. Oh my goodness, it's so black. And what I ended up having to do is this eye, since I had put all of this eyeshadow on top, it covered the black liner. And then I had to retrace with the liner again. There was no skipping. It didn't give me a hard time to retrace the line. It literally just glided over the pigment that was there and recreated the line so beautifully. And yeah, I'm loving. I literally love this liner right now. Yes, there was a little mistake, but I will say that that was my problem. That was my mistake, and I just, you know, wanted to keep on going so quickly that I opened my eye too quick, and the liner does take a little longer to dry down, so yeah, that was my fault, but I love this so far. I really do. But let's try the lipstick, because this is something I'm also really excited for. This is the color Harissa? Harissa, I think it's spelled. Arissa, I don't know if you pronounce the H, and it's the Power Matte Soft Matte Lipstick, and these are from Bite Beauty. So these are the new formulation from Bite Beauty. We literally just talked about Bite Beauty just recently, and I told you guys I used to love their lipsticks, but then all of a sudden everything disappeared. I did not think this through when I did this eye look. So I don't know if the color is going to match that great, but that's okay. It's okay. I probably should have done something a little warmer, but let's play with it. Let's see what this looks like. Now, I'm not lining my lips on purpose because I want to show you guys the real color, but yeah. Okay, upon initial application, I'm liking this. Ooh, I like this formula. This lip color does not match my eye look whatsoever, but this will probably look amazing, amazing, amazing with the bare lid that I had before. So if I just had the bare liner with this lip color, it would be spectacular, but we're gonna have to make it work for this video, but these are definitely not colors I would have ever put together. I love this formula, and guys, I love this color. Like I said, not with this eye look, but I love this color. It's very matte, but it feels nourishing on the lips. It does remind me of their old formula, but their old formula didn't feel as nourishing. This feels really good on the lips. This might be a really good formula, guys. I think I might actually love this lipstick formula. Like, really. It's matte, but it's not drying down, so I could see creases in my lips. It looks beautiful. For a rough application, just to see if I like this formula, I think I'm going to be in love with this lipstick. These might be really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix up this color a little bit to make it match my eye look a little bit more, and let's get into some final thoughts. All right, guys, so here we go. Here is my final look with all the makeup on. So for the lipstick, what I ended up doing just to cool it down a little bit was I added on top, I just added some lip gloss. This is my favorite, like, super nudie lip gloss. It's from Bare Minerals. It's called Groovy. I will link it down below. It's the one that I usually put on when I have very nude lips. But because I wanted to make the color just a little lighter so it would match the eyes, I went ahead and put that on top, and it changed the lip color to being a little bit of a muted down burnt orange than that strong burnt orange that it was before. But let's start off with the lipstick since we're talking about that right now. I love this lipstick formula. I think I'm going to be obsessed with it. This color is insanely beautiful. Like I said, dying to do this with just a minimal eye and just this really beautiful burnt orange lip. I think I'm gonna do that on Instagram. I'll show you guys some pictures. Actually, it probably would have looked beautiful with this dress I'm wearing today, that beautiful burnt orange lip with a really beautiful black wing liner. So I'm obsessed with this color. I think it's extravagant. I really like the formula, and I'm really excited for these new lipsticks from Bite. I think that they are awesome. So that is an awesome product. And then we have our Natasha Denona, our love, her new liners. Guys, I like this liner, okay? So, yeah, I feel like it has basically lived up to all the claims that it said. It glided over the eyeshadow, and just so you guys know, I did use the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity on my eyes today. I did that on purpose because Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath, in my opinion, have extremely creamy metallics. And the problem with extremely creamy metallics is those are the ones that sometimes I feel like liners like to get stuck to, or they they skip or they get filled with. And I have a problem using liquid liners with super creamy metallics, and it literally glided on top of this palette. And this palette's metallics, if you own it, you know that these are so creamy and delicious. And I used like 4 different metallics on my lids today. I used a lot of the different purples to create this look and also some of the pinks. So I really went ham with the metallics on purpose so that I could really test this for you guys over an extremely exuberant eye look. So I think it worked amazing on top of full pigment eyes. I think it worked amazing on my bare lid. And on the bare lid, one of the awesome things is there's no skipping. I didn't feel like it was going into my lines. It looked incredible. I mean, you guys saw it. I felt like using the liner itself was super easy. I really like the packaging of this too. It feels high end. It has a really nice packaging. It almost feels like you're holding like a ceramic metal pen, like a gunmetal. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's so cool. So I love this. When it comes to precision, I am going to say that I do believe that what they're saying is true. If you are a novice, I think that you're going to think this eyeliner is pretty simple. Remember, anytime that you work with liquid eyeliners, it is going to be a little challenging the first few times. So if you're not used to it, I think any eyeliner is going to be hard. But I do feel like, even for myself, that I am not a professional at doing it. I feel like I have gotten a lot better at it, but I felt like this one made me feel like I was a professional. I felt like I did this one very easily. So I do think that somebody who's not that used to it, with a few practices, you are going to be able to get used to this pretty quickly. I think anybody who has been using a felt tip liner that wants something extremely black, you're gonna love this. I need more colors, Natasha. I want this in brown. I want this in more colors. I think even if she created this formula in white, how incredible would that be to be able to use this white liner on top of these really extravagant eye looks? I think this was a knock out of the park formula. I am obsessed. So yes, you guys know if I'm saying it like that good, like I love this. Of course, I'm gonna have to see how it lasts throughout the day. I'll let you guys know in a comment down below if I had any problems taking it off or if it faded, but I do not think so from what I see. I think that this is going to be incredible. So yes, 2 out of 2. I love them both. I think they were both awesome products. So I'm excited with today's outcome. I really, really like the products. So if you guys have tried this new product from Natasha, or if you have tried the new Bite Beauty lipsticks, leave your comments down below for your friends. Help them out in the comments section. Let them know your opinion as well, so you guys can have a little conversation down there. And thanks so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.